Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful shoe repair layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the shoe repair layout packs. This is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. Really clean and modern. There are custom images included, which you are free to use without any restrictions. So if you want to lay your hands on this beautiful layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the shoe repair layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually having to install it on your own website. So say for instance you really enjoyed the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now, as soon as you create a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here, we have all of our different layout packs again. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the shoe repair layout pack. Click on it. Select a layout of your choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your entire page design. So say for instance you want to turn this row over here with these three call to actions sticky on scroll. You can open the row settings, go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects, and over here you can select stick to top, and you can decide if you want an offset or not. And now if I scroll, it will stick to the top. Now to make sure that it's visible, you can also apply a sticky background colors. If I go to the background settings over here, I can apply a sticky option here, go to the sticky tab and add a white background color or a black background color, any kind of color of my choice. And this will apply as soon as the row turns sticky. So you can basically do that for each and every element on your page and use Divi's built-in options to create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.